All right, y'all. So if you popped over here from the mesh analysis problem, we're going to use the TI-89 Titanium's simultaneous problem solver. It's over in apps. You're going to find the simultaneous problem solver app. You're going to go new. And for this problem, remember we had 4 equations and 4 unknowns. So we're going to type that in, right? They want us to show the number of equations we want and the number of unknowns we want. So it's already there, so I'm just going to press enter. And what we have here is we have this table, and you can see here how it's saying it basically wants all the coefficients for each equation. So A1 of equation 1 through, A1 of equation 4. So on this first line, we'll just put each coefficient for I1, 2, 3, and 4. So for the first equation, we had 55 I1, so the coefficient's 55. For I2, we have minus 25, so minus 25. For I3, we had 0, so 0. For I4, we have minus 30, so minus 30. And then on the other side of the equal sign, we had a minus 30. Okay, so that was our first equation. Mesh 2, our second equation was minus 25 I1, so minus 25. 40 I2, minus 10 I3, 0 for I4, and minus 70 on the other side of the equal sign. Third equation, we have minus 10 for I1. I'm sorry, we have 0 for I1. We have minus 10 for I2. 45 for I3. Minus 20 for I4. And 25 on the other side of the equal sign. And for the last equation, we have minus 30 for I1. We have 0 for I2. We have minus 20 for I3. We have 85 for I4. And we have 175 on the other side of the equal sign. All right, so we've placed all of the coefficients of our 4 equations. And now we can just press F5, that's solve, right? Right there. F5 is solve. Cool. So you can see this gives us, X is just I in our case. So I1, I2, I3, and I4 gives us all the answers. And, it took a lot of the work out for us. You guys do need to know how to do this by hand. But once you know how to do it, it's much easier to just kind of use the tools you have at hand to work smarter and not harder. So hopefully you can use this on your homework and maybe even your tests, but this is an awesome functionality of the TI-89 Titanium. Thanks, guys.